Most traders lose money trading gold, not because gold is hard, but because they just don't understand how it actually moves. Let me break it down for you. So here is the truth. Gold is just not another pair. It is a safe haven asset. And that means it reacts differently. It's faster, more emotional, and way more sensitive to global news. If you treat it like Euro USD, you're already set up to fail. Gold moves when dollar moves. When the dollar weakens, gold usually pushes up. When there is fear in the market, inflation, war, banking issues, traders run to gold because it is a safe haven asset. So if you want to trade gold profitably, stop guessing. Follow fundamentals. Watch the economic calendar. Pay attention to Fed announcement, interest rate, global headlines. Here is where most beginners blow up. They chase gold when it spikes. Don't do that. Instead, use the higher time frame for direction. H1, H4, daily. Drop to smaller time frames for confirmation. Entry confirmation. Always let the market come to you. One wrong entry on gold without a stop loss can wipe the entire week profit in minutes. This is the secret nobody wants you to hear. Risk management is what makes you profitable, not predictions. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Always use a stop loss. Position size correctly. Even a small lot on gold can make you money because it moves so fast. Profitable traders don't gamble. They repeat setups. For example, mark strong support and resistance zones on the 4-hour or daily time frame. Wait for a rejection or a confirmation candle. Go to a smaller time frame like the 15-minute time frame. Enter when you have a confluence. What are these confluence? Trend, market structure, fundamentals lining up. It's not about catching every move. It's all about catching your move consistently. And finally, mindset. Don't let gold speed push you into revenge trading. Gold will still be here tomorrow, next week, next year. Your only job is to protect your account long enough to compound. So to become profitable trading gold, remember this. Understand how it reacts to news. Trade with a plan, not emotions. Protect your capital with risk management. Stick to a reputable setup and control your psychology. If you can master those 5, you will stop being afraid of gold and start profiting from it. If this gave you value, hit the subscribe and let's keep growing together as traders.